Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Many of you might have a 403B from a past employer, especially if you worked in education or for a nonprofit organization. It's a great way to save for retirement, but did you know you can gain more control and potentially enjoy tax-free withdrawals later? Rolling your 403B into a Roth IRA can be a smart financial move, giving you greater flexibility and a wider range of investment choices for your future. Before you initiate any transfer, your first step is to open a Roth IRA account. You'll need a new custodian for this, like a brokerage firm. Once that's set up, gather all the necessary information about your existing 403B, including the account number and your current provider's contact details. It's also wise to ensure you meet the income requirements for Roth IRA rollovers, although direct rollovers usually have fewer restrictions. The easiest way to perform this rollover is to contact your new Roth IRA provider directly. They handle these transfers frequently and can provide all the required paperwork. This approach is called a direct rollover, meaning the funds move straight from your 403B custodian to your Roth IRA, avoiding any money passing through your hands. This method helps prevent accidental taxes or penalties, making the process much smoother for you. It's important to remember that a 403B is typically funded with pre-tax dollars. When you convert these funds to a Roth IRA, you're essentially paying those taxes now, upfront. This converted amount will be added to your taxable income for the year you complete the conversion. If the full conversion seems too large for 1 year's taxes, you might consider converting smaller portions over several years, helping to spread out that tax burden more comfortably. Once the funds have successfully transferred, confirm with both your old 403B provider and your new Roth IRA custodian that everything is complete. You'll receive necessary tax forms, like Form 1099-R, which you'll need to report the conversion on your tax return for that year. While this guide offers a general overview, financial situations are unique. Consider consulting a qualified financial advisor to ensure this is truly the best move for your specific circumstances.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.